In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and add a Flipbook app from the Wix app market. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to your Wix site, dashboard, or editor, depending on where you normally manage your website. From there, navigate to the Wix app market screen. This is the area where Wix provides extra tools and features that can be added to your site, including galleries, forums, booking tools, and document viewers like Flipbooks. Once you're on the Wix app market screen, look for the search bar. In that search field, type in either Flipbook or PDF Flipbook Gallery. These search terms will help you find apps designed to display PDF files in a more interactive page-turning format, which can be especially useful for catalogs, brochures, magazines, portfolios, or other visual documents you want visitors to browse directly on your website. After the results appear, take a moment to review the available applications. You'll want to select a widget app option that has a strong rating. A highly rated app is usually a good sign that other Wix users have had a positive experience with it, whether that means it's easier to use, more reliable, or offers better display quality. As you scan the options, it can also help to briefly look at the app name and overall presentation so you choose the one that best matches what you're trying to add to your site. When you've found the app you want, click on it to open the app details if needed, and then click Add to Site. This tells Wix to install the widget into your website so you can begin using it within your editor. Depending on your connection and the app itself, this may take a few moments to complete, so just give it a second if you see it loading. Once the app has been added, you'll typically be able to access it from inside your Wix editor and continue setting it up there. At this stage, the important part is simply getting the right app added successfully so you're ready for customization in the next step of your setup. That's it for this process. Open the Wix app market in Chrome, search for Flipbook or PDF Flipbook Gallery, choose a highly rated widget, and add it to your site. Following these steps carefully helps ensure you start with a solid app option that looks professional and works well for your visitors.